So you say maths is terrible.
Yeah.
Why?
No, not the sub. I don't know, not the subject, but yeah, my marks are just no.
What are you getting in mathematics?
At the moment, it ranges between 20% and 30%.
20% to 30%.
Yes.
And in the other subject?
80s.
80s?
Yeah.
Why do you hate mathematics?
I don't. I don't hate it. It's I don't know.
So mathematics is the only subject is troubling you.
Yeah.
So if you can get sorted in maths, then you'll be fine.
Yeah.
And that means you will have even more time to put in mathematics. Okay. Now let's talk about the topics you have given me. Are these topics you are struggling with, or the one you are better off?
It's the ones I'm struggling with at the moment.
Oh, okay. So things like a trig, Euclidean, you are okay.
Sorry?
Things like a trigonometry, Euclidean geometry, you are okay.
Euclidean geometry I'm fine with. Trigonometry we're still going to do.
Okay.
So I haven't like fully done that one. But at the moment it's okay.
Okay. And the finance, probability, number patterns, you are okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Are you writing any test, assignment, exam anytime soon?
I have an assignment that is due around like October 14, I think. Yeah. It's like a tutorial.
Okay.
Of a past paper.
What will be the topic on it?
I'm not sure yet. I haven't checked the paper.
Okay, okay. And you do have access to your past test papers, right? And exams?
Yeah.
Will you be able to maybe download them as a file and then send me on email?
Yeah, I can try that.
Okay, okay, okay. So basically, what I do with you guys, I do believe that you are capable of doing well in mathematics, especially to a person like you who's performing very well in the other subject. The only issue I can believe you have is the fear of mathematics. So now let me give you a typical example. I'm sure you're able to see me, right?
Yeah.
So I can tell you this is my radio. This is my radio. I want to listen to my radio. What would you say?
It's not a radio.
Why do you say it's not a radio?
Because it doesn't look like one.
Does not look like one. How does the radio look like? Well, what key features does the radio have?
It has speakers, and sometimes it has that long wire metal thing.
Okay.
And
so, yes.
Yeah.
So if I'm looking for the speaker and I cannot see the speaker, and I see the long metal things you're talking about, I cannot see it. So therefore I will say, oh, so I don't have a radio. So what do I have? What is this?
It's a book.
It's a book.
Like a notebook.
So what are the key features of a book?
It has pages.
Okay. So now I can come in and look for, I said there are pages. Do you see?
Yes.
So now, to me, what I was calling a radio, you have convinced me that it is not a radio. Instead, you have helped me to know that what I have instead is a book. Not a radio, because there is no antenna, there is no the microphone. Instead, there is pages to make it a book.
Yeah.
So as a result, my perception, my understanding, my knowledge have changed. What I had in my mind, I have removed it, and I have put what you have given me as a book in my head. Is it making sense?
Yeah. What's the link?
A Hello?
Yes.
So now, when you are getting 20% in your exam for mathematics, or 30% in your exam in mathematics, it means whenever they bring this, you call it a radio. And your teacher mark it wrong because it is not a radio. Now, what I'm going to do with you is to provide a platform for you ahead of a time to call this a radio, and then we talk about it with a hope that you are going to change, not calling this a radio, but an exercise book. Then by the time you go to the classroom in the test, you would have changed this from a radio to an exercise book. Is it making sense?
Yeah.
So now, your benefit to this, it is not how much I talk, how much I say things, but the benefits to this, it is how much a mistake you make doing the process we are together.
Okay.
So in short, what I am looking for from you is the wrong reasoning of mathematics. If you can make as many mistakes as you can almost finish all the mistakes. So what will you mean when you go to the class? You'll be having
No
the right
mistake.
thing.
Yeah.
Is it making sense?
Yeah.
So always be proud when you make a mistake, and hopefully I'm able to pick it up, and then we correct it. If that happens, then you say, yes, I have learned something. Is it making sense?
Yes.
So now my work is to plan, and then I allow you to teach me. And in the process of teaching me, you are allowed to make as many mistakes as you can, so we can talk about them.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Are you in?
Yes.